making a way for you. You should be grateful.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. These are great options you can use to lower your coffee consumption or simply replace it altogether. Let's start with a peppermint tea drink. Just an FYI, this is a type of tea bag you should look for because they are not toxic or bleach and you can see through it. Anywho, today I had this peppermint tea. The bag is not the healthiest, but it's all good. I'm going to start by adding ginseng root. This is the key ingredient that will give you the coffee benefit without the crash. Side note, I love to read the little notes on the tea bag. It lightens up my spirit.
She met me in college, I know that's true.
I like to add a little black pepper. This step is optional and my preference.
Like me soon as she met me.
Let that steep and drink up. This tea kept my focus when I was working in law firms, so trust me, it will keep you focused and going throughout the day.
I need a power that's down for me to make my good days my best.
The second one is a raw cacao drink. If you love the taste of coffee, this will be your favorite while still giving you that extra boost. I start with 2 scoops of 1.5 teaspoon of cacao powder. It keeps you grounded and makes you feel happier, lighten up your mood. Some lion's mane mushroom powder. That's the ingredient that will keep you focused throughout the day. I use just about this much. A little goes a long way. The lion's mane mushroom is a bit bitter, so I like to add maple syrup as a sweetener. A teaspoon is more than enough.
Happy reps. Yeah.
I add a bit of oat milk. It's so yummy.
Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls got a Starbucks. Yeah.
This oat is optional. I like to foam at the top of my drink. It just gives it that cafe vibe.
Get a ring, make a child start film. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys. Like, yeah. She met me in college, I know that's true.
Add a dash of cinnamon, or if you're like me, a lot of cinnamon. Swirl that around and enjoy. The third drink would be my golden milk recipe. I added the link to that video in the description box, as well as the ingredients and benefits. Enjoy these tasty, amazing drinks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
There was no way but God.